How to apply for student finance in Northern Ireland. Step-by-step guide for students. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance Northern Ireland. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting your application, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. This includes residency status, course eligibility, and financial need. Residency. You must be a resident of Northern Ireland or have been living there for at least 3 years. Course eligibility. Your course must be a recognized higher education course in the UK or EU. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. You will need the following documents ready: passport or national ID, national insurance number, bank details, household income information for means-tested applications. Step 3. Create an account. Visit the Student Finance Northern Ireland or SFNI website www.studentfinanceni.co.uk. If it is your first time applying, click Register to create an account. If you have applied before, simply log in with your existing details. Step 4. Start the online application. Once logged in, choose the correct academic year and course. You'll be asked to provide personal details, course information, and household income if you are applying for a means-tested loan. Tip: double-check the details to avoid delays. And in order for you to avoid delays, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 5. Select your funding. Decide which types of student finance you want to apply for. Tuition fee loan covers the cost of tuition fees. Maintenance loan or grant helps with living costs. Additional grants or specific needs like disabilities or dependents. Step 6. Submit your application. Review all details and submit the application online. Be sure to save a copy or take screenshots for your records. Step 7. Send supporting evidence. After submission, you might be asked to provide additional documents, example, proof of identity or income. Upload documents online or mail them as directed by SFNI. Step 8. Track your application. Log back into your account to track your application status. SFNI may contact you for further information or clarification. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 9. Receive your entitlement letter. If successful, SFNI will send you an entitlement letter that outlines how much funding you will receive. Review this carefully and contest SFNI if there are any discrepancies. Step 10. Start repaying after graduation. You won't need to start repayments until you have finished your course and are earning above the repayment threshold. And there you have it, future scholars. You have now unlocked the step-by-step guide to securing your student finance in Northern Ireland. Remember, this is just the beginning on your incredible academic journey. With the right support and determination, there is no limit to what you can achieve. As you prepare to dive into your studies, always keep in mind, the future belongs to those who believe in the magic of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. So go ahead and chase those dreams, knowing that you've got the financial support to fuel your ambition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to help you along the way. And until next time, always remember, you are capable, you are resilient, and your dreams are within reach. See you soon.